Hello and welcome to project 2 in Solidworks. This project we're going to draw this dice. So in order to get started we hit on Solidworks 2019. So here when you're given the option you hit Part, and as always check down here that this is MMGS. Up here we're going to click on the Sketch tool. I'm going to click Center Rectangle, and it's going to ask us here where do we want to draw it on. We're going to use our design tree here and we're going to click Top Plane. We're going to move our mouse now down to the origin till it turns to an orange dot. You're going to drag this out and drop it anywhere at all. Next what we're going to do, so we'll green tick that there. Next what we're going to do is hit the Escape button. It's the button on the top left hand of the screen. You're going to now click on one side and hitting the arrow up button. It's down on the bottom left above the Control key. And you can hit both of these here and you're going to make these here equal. This way then it's easier, because when we smart dimension one side like this, we're going to make this 20 and green tick that there. That makes both sides 20 now for us. Next what we're going to do is go Features, Extrude Boss Base, and the height we're going to make this here then is 20. Green tick that, green tick again, and hit the F key to make it fit inside our screen. So that's our first part of our cube done. Now, what we're going to do now is back to Sketch. And we're going to draw a center line this time. Sorry, a circle this time. It's going to ask us where do we want to draw it. And we want to draw it in the very, very top one. So we'll click on that there. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to move up to here and we're going to go Normal to, and that will show us the top view of this cube. We're going to go into the center again. Click with the orange dot. We're going to drag it out and we're going to make it any size at all. Now what we're going to do is we're going to smart dimension. I'm going to drag it out. I'm going to change this here to 4.5. Green tick that. Now this, green tick that there. Now this is actually a mistake. So in order to, if you make a mistake like this here, I'm just going to show you how to fix it. So you simply click on the dimension again, and you go 4 millimeters. Now, and you green tick that again, and it's changed the size of that there. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go Features, Extrude Cut. We can move it around to see what's going to happen here. So we're going to cut down here. And the depth we want to cut it down is 0.5 millimeters. So 0.5. Green tick that there. Green tick that there. And now it's taking the cut of that one out 1.5 millimeters. Right. Next what we're going to do is we're going to look at this here for a second, because what we want to start doing now is getting the habit of naming these here. Instead of having it Boss Extrude 1, we're going to call this here Cube, and this one here we're going to call, and now to get that to change, what we need to do is we click on it and double click on it, and then we can rename it. So we're going to call this here one here Dot 1. This will make things easier when you go back to change any of the drawings. You'll know exactly which part you're talking about. What we're going to do now is do Sketch, Center Line. And again, it's going to ask us where do we want to draw it. And this time, we're going to draw it this side here. We're going to go Normal to again. So we're looking straight in at it. This time we're going to do Center Line, yeah. So we're going to go Center Line. And we're going to go right into the corner till it goes orange. And we're going to draw a diagonal down this way. Now you can see the line is going to continue on, so we're going to have to hit Escape. So again, on the top left hand side, we're going to hit Escape. We're going to go back up here, Center Line again. And we're going to join this diagonal here. Very important that we're in center lines, because if it's a full heavy line, it will affect the drawing later on. We're going to now draw a circle in the center. Now, another thing I want to show you, we need to draw a circle here. Okay? But if you make a mistake and you draw the circle in the wrong place, very easy to undo that there. You can, up here, you can undo it. That'll get rid of the circle for you. You can also right-click on the circle and go down here and delete, and that gets rid of the circle for you. It's a good tip, be very useful for you later on. So we're going to now click on this circle, the control key, the arrow up button above the control key, click on that one there, and we're going to make those again equal, so that when we smart dimension this one here to 4 millimeters, green tick that there, that's going to make both those the same size. We're also now going to smart dimension this one here, from here to the center. Now it can drag straight out like that, down or at an angle, and we're going to put it out at an angle. I'm going to smart dimension that there, 7 millimeters. Green tick that, and let's move that down in 7 millimeters, green tick it again. So this one is going to be the 3 dots. So we're going to mirror this here around this line down here. And up here you'll see the mirror entities. Now it's asking us here, what do we want to mirror? We want to mirror this circle. Down here it's asking us where we want to mirror it about. We want to mirror it about this line here. And then we green tick that there. And so now we've got our 3 dots. Up here to features again, extrude cut. Just flip it around and make sure it's right, yeah. 0.5 millimeters, perfect, green tick that, and that's that done. Back now to our... Perfect. So what we're going to do now is sketch again. Center rectangle again, where we want to draw it here. So we're going to go from there to there. And hit escape to get rid of that. Then we're going to go normal 2. Okay. We're going to draw, another center line from this corner to this corner. I'm going to draw our circle here and another circle here. Now what I'm going to show this here, if we click this here, exit sketch, everything's gone grey, and this can happen to a lot of students a lot of the time. But in order to get back into the drawing and be able to change the sketch, we go here to edit sketch. We click on that there. Now we can go back to this here and we can change it. Again, we're going to hit one of the circles, the arrow up key, we're going to click this circle, and we're going to make those equal. And we're going to smart dimension this here, 4 millimeters. Green tick that there. Then we're going to smart dimension from here to here. 7. Green tick that. And from here to here. 7. And we green tick that. Next we're going to go to features, extrude cut. Perfect. Green tick that. Now we'll go back to this one here, and this one here was dot 3. And this one here. Dot 2. Next time we're going to scroll around. So if you push down the wheel in the middle of the mouse, you can move the dice around. And we're going to find the dice, the face that's in between the 2 and the 1. I'm going to go sketch again. And we're going to go center rectangle. Where do we want to draw it? We want to draw it here. We'll go normal 2. And again, we're going to draw our diagonals. So up to the corner till it goes orange, down to this corner till it goes orange. Click there. Then to get rid of that there, then we're going to hit escape. Then we're going to do the other diagonal, this corner to this corner, when it goes to the little orange dot. Now what we're going to do this time as well, we're going to draw a center line along the middle. Now if we hover over it, the line, and you'll see the little orange dot appears there. And that is exactly the midpoint between here and here. So we're going to click on that, and we're going to drag it across over to the other midpoint there, and we're going to hit escape then. So what we're going to do now is draw a circle anywhere up here. And we're going to smart dimension 4mm, and 7 down from the top. Again, now we're going to mirror entities. So we're going to mirror, what do we want to mirror? We want to mirror this about this line here. And green tick that. And again, we want to mirror this and this about this line here. Green tick that. And that's all 4 of those done. Features, extrude cut, green tick, and we're done that. So this one here is dot 4. Now, the next one now we're going to do the 5th. It's the one between the 1 and the 3. This one here. Alright, so find that face there, and that's where we're going to draw this one here. And very similar to the previous one. So again, find the midway point, drag that across, hit escape, and we're going to draw a circle here, and one in the middle this time to make the 5 dots. So we're going to click on this circle, the arrow up key, click on this circle, make them equal. Smart dimension this one here, 4, green tick that. Smart dimension in here and here, 7. Then again, mirror this here about this line, green tick that, and then we're going to mirror again this circle and this circle about this line here. Yeah, so that's the 5 one done. The last one now is the 6, so it's the last face here. If we click on that there, we can also go sketch, center, normal to. Now this one is slightly different in that we're going to draw a line across the center. So find your center there like that. And we're going to hit escape. Center line. Now anywhere down here at all. Alright, you're just going to draw a line like this. Then you're going to draw one more down the dead center. And we're going to smart dimension this here to 5. Green tick that. We'll draw a circle here, and a circle here. Hit the arrow up key. Smart dimension from there to the top line, 4mm as well. Now, very simply, we'll mirror this about this, and again click this. Oh, sorry, hit escape there. We're going to go mirror entities. What do we want to mirror? This one, this one, and this one about this line here. Take that, and so that's our 6 done. Features, extrude cut, 0.5mm. Green tick that. And we're going to name this one now. Dot 6. Now, That is the dice almost